Someone had shot a mama possum with a pellet gun. I looked at her head and I saw that there was nothing in there. So I'm like, okay, well, this is good. We gave her pain medicine. We put her in an incubator, put some oxygen on her just to give her more of a chance. We cleaned her up just a little bit and we put babies back with her. But she was just laying there. She was hurting. But the moment that I put those babies back with that mom, it was incredible. It brought tears to my eyes. What a good mom. Her injuries were the least of her worries. She just wanted to make sure her babies were okay. When she started eating on her own, and I knew that she was going to be able to produce milk, that was the turning point. I knew that she's going to be okay. The wound healed beautifully. We had her in our care about 3 weeks, and she and the babies were doing great. So we just needed a place to release her. We find the perfect 1,200 acres to release them. Mama is sitting there and she just reaches her little head out and starts lapping that water up. I'm like, oh darling, you're never going to have to worry about a person hurting you again. Never. This is what she deserves. And then the babies come out and the babies start lapping the water. It's beautiful. It just melts your heart. The babies were so distracted from all the water in the new place. I was like, your mom is leaving and you need to go with her. I started running back and forth, gathering up babies. I'm like, guys, come on. She had all those babies on her back. She was so patient with them. She kept them clean. She was such a good mom. Mama was so strong. She had this will to live.